everybody, my name is Professor Isaac Berry from Berry Science Lab, and today we're going to be looking at this problem here, which I created, and I'm very proud of it. And so you don't go looking in any textbooks or the internet for this, but you have to find this green shaded area over here with only 3 values. This value of the short horizontal leg, 5, value of this long vertical leg, 12, and the value of the altitude, 60/13. Okay, so this may seem impossible, but it is in fact possible. So now we're going to say that the altitude is also the diameter of this pink circle you can see over here. So first of all, we can use the Pythagorean triple to get the what was it? Oh yeah, the hypotenuse. Sorry, I had a blackout there. But that's not really important. What is important is thinking about the circle. So you see over here you have the pink circle, and you have like a thing that scoops out all of it over here. So you could think of it as like a section that swallows up the rest of this circle and leaves these 2 parts remain. So you can also think of it like if it was a square, but this doubles how much area is left. So we're going to have the answer we get after we're done. So of course the diameter of this and thus the diagonal of the square is gonna be 60 divided by 13. Now we can plug this into the equation for the area of a circle, but we need to have it. Since this is the diameter, we need the radius. So 30/13 squared times pi. So that's gonna give you about, this is gonna give you about 900 pi over 169. So now, how does this help? Well, this value can be used to find these green areas over here. So let's now find the area of the square. Since we know this diagonal is 60/13, it's pretty easy to know what the sides and thus area would be. So if we use the Pythagorean Theorem, we know that the square sides are the same. So if we take n, both ends are the same, no confusion between them. And we take n squared plus n squared is equal to, let's say, z squared. We'll call this side z. Then you'll get z. We'll get n squared plus n squared is z squared. But what is z? Well, we're going to say that this is just x. So n squared plus n squared is, we don't know, squared. So, but now, n squared plus n squared is just going to be n root 2. This is going to be n root 2 z. So that means that we can do this process but in reverse, giving us the side length to be 60/13 root 3, or estimated to be about 3. So it's actually 2.96, but it's about 3. So now that we know the side length, we can find the area of this, which just happens to be 8.76 if we plug in 2.96. So now we know this area and this area. Now we subtract them and then divide the whole thing by 2. So you take this minus 8.76, and then you have to have it. And if you plug in everything like that, that will give you about 3.9. So that is the answer for the steadily looking area. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you next time.